Haras Sohail, who's already got 100 in this series, strike rate of 80.82. He'll be looking to consolidate on that and maybe force the selectors to pick him for the World Cup. But this time over the top, really timed beautifully, just going on with the shot. Haras Sohail with a handsome boundary.
Goes over the top, right out of the middle of the bat. Beautifully struck there, I should say, from Sohail.
This is what we need to see. A couple of aggressive shots, taking on the bowler.
Shots, placement. He just had a short enough length to play with. And it's really delicate. It's very effective.
Oh, that's a fine one. Would have been gobbled up there had there been a first slip in place, but it's a boundary. It's a welcome boundary for Pakistan.
That's a good shot. Back of a length. Beautifully played.
That's into the gap and runs for Haras Sohail. Is such a good and sweet timer of the ball. Brings up his 50 with a delectable shot.
Yeah, he looks really good when he gets going. That's his 11th 50.
Don't bowl there. That's another 4. Short and a bit wide was Gaza. That's gone up in the air, taken on the full and launched over the field for 6. A walking 6. Adam Zampa is just a little bit hurt by that counter charge from Haras Sohail.
Get into the shot.
That's a good shot. Left his mid off up, and Sohail takes advantage of it. Edge. Frustration for Adam Zampa. That'll race away. It's a quick outfield. It's a handy boundary though, they needed it. 7 off the over. 156 for 3.
Get this 8.20. Over the top. Third man was up in the circle. It might go for 4. It will go for 4.
Push into the leg side, and Haras Sohail come back for the second and then raise his bat. Second ODI 100, second of the series. Done well, Haras Sohail.
Well, he likes Australia. He's done well in the test matches here last year. And this time around, he's getting his second 100. 9 4s, 2 6s. Good strike rate. 98.10. Very elegant player. Very good looking player. Smashed it through that mid wicket for 4. Good cricket by Pakistan.
Banged it in the slower bouncer and just waited for it and then thrashed it to the leg side.
Yeah, great stroke. It was a slow delivery.
They would like. Haras Sohail down the ground, he's middled that, and that is out of the park and some.
Now that's very classy. He was looking for that length.
Finds the gap. It's sweetly timed. Oozing class is Haras Sohail.
Open blade and searches for that point, backward point area. That's where his strength is. And he knew the moment he hit that was a boundary.
And gone, taken at point. So Centurion has been removed from the scene. It's Haras Sohail who's been caught at point, and now it's looking an uphill task. Required weight has gone over 9, and to lose